In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Talkie and I'm going to show you an overview. We'll start right from your browser so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI. In the results, look for the official Talkie AI website. It typically appears near the top and uses the talkieai.com domain. Click through to open the homepage. Before we dive in, here's what Talkie is all about. Talkie, sometimes presented as Talkie Soulful AI, is a platform where you can chat with AI characters through text or voice. It's designed for conversation, entertainment, creative roleplay, and exploring ideas with characters that feel distinct and expressive. Once you're on the site, you can jump straight into chatting with AI personas. You'll find a variety of characters, from fictional archetypes to celebrity-inspired lookalikes, as well as completely custom personalities made by the community. Pick one that interests you and open a conversation. The interface is straightforward, a chat box for messages and a thread of replies from the character. Talkie supports both text and voice interaction. You can type your question or prompt, send it, and wait for the character's response. If you'd like to hear the reply, look for the play button on the character's message and tap it to listen. If microphone input is available, you can speak your message, which makes the exchange feel more natural. A quick tip: if you're using voice, grant the browser permission to use your mic and try to speak clearly in a quiet space for best results. Customization is where Talkie shines. If you want something tailored to your interests, create your own character. Define their personality, style, and the kind of conversations you want to have. This helps guide the AI toward the tone and topics you prefer. You can also choose an image for your character. Generate one directly in the tool if that's offered, or upload your own image from your files. Aim for a clear, well-lit picture that matches the character's vibe. Next, select a voice. Browse the available options to find a tone that fits. And if voice cloning is available in your region, you can opt to clone your own voice for a more personal touch. Always review the consent prompts and understand how your voice data will be used. To wrap up, Talkie AI offers customizable, conversational experiences with both text and voice. Many users get started by creating an account, selecting or creating characters, and chatting on web or via the mobile app. As with any AI platform, review your privacy settings and remember that responses can vary. Enjoy exploring and have fun bringing your characters to life.